Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best spiralizers in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. OXO Good Grips 3-Blade Tabletop Spiralizer with Stronghold Suction. White. Make quick work of creating uniform spirals, from fruits and vegetables for curly fries, salads, garnishes, and more. 3 stainless steel blades create spaghetti cut 1/8 inch, fettuccine cut 1/4 inch, or ribbon cut noodles. Removable blade box keeps blades clean, safe, and organized when not in use in stores. On board. Food holder with shark teeth holds food securely while spiralizing and dishwasher safe. Rotating handle turns fruits and vegetables to spiralize. Side handle advances fruits and vegetables through blades and folds up for compact storage. Stronghold suction cup for non-slip stability on countertops. Number 4. Paderno World Cuisine 6-Blade Vegetable Slicer / Spiralizer, counter-mounted, and includes 6 different stainless steel blades. The Paderno World Cuisine 86-Blade Spiralizer with brush creates spiral cuts in vegetable or fruit noodles in seconds. The frame and blade plates are constructed of very high quality, impact-resistant ABS plastic that is BPA-free, and the blades are made of stainless steel. It has 4 powerful suction feet that are fitted with tabs for easy release. Key features: mounts to countertop with ease due to its strong suctioning base unit, is made of BPA-free ABS plastic. Blades are made of stainless steel, easy to clean, includes a dual head cleaning brush for sharp metal blades. Use one hand to push the lever handle along while simultaneously turning the crank handle with the other hand. Number 3. Kitchenaid Spiralizer Plus attachment with peel, core, and slice, silver. Reinvent classic meals and inspire your culinary creativity with fresh fruits and vegetables. The versatile Kitchenaid Spiralizer Plus with peel, core, and slice stand mixer attachment comes with 6 spiraling / slicing blades and a peeling blade, perfect for fresh fruit and vegetable recipes. From zucchini noodles to sweet and savory dishes, the options are endless. Attaches to power hub of your stand mixer and uses the power of the motor to run the attachment. Fits all household Kitchenaid stand mixers. With 6 quick change blades and an optional peeling blade to inspire healthy versions of classic recipes and unleash your culinary potential. 3 spiraling blades. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Vegetable Spiralizer and Slicer with 3 cutting cones for veggie spaghetti, linguine, and ribbons. 6 cups, black 70,930. Healthy cooking made fun and easy. Add ribbons and spirals of colorful veggies to your meals with the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Vegetable Spiralizer, Slicer, and Veggie Noodle Maker. Create zoodles for zucchini spaghetti and ribbons for vegetable salad and apple tarts quickly and easily. The 3 cutting cones make long, swirly strands of thin spiral noodles with the spaghetti cone, or go for thicker strands with the linguine cone. The electric spiralizer includes 3 cutting cones to transform whole fruits and vegetables into spaghetti, linguine, or ribbon-shaped noodles for fun, delicious meals. The large bowl on the spiralizer for veggie noodles is just the right size for making family meals and for recipes. It holds up to 6 cups of vegetable noodles. Number 1. OXO Good Grips 3-Blade Handheld Spiralizer Green, Red, and Orange. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Create 3 different sizes of vegetable noodles in a snap with OXO 3-Blade Handheld Spiralizer. From zucchini pasta to beet salad to potato au gratin, these uniform spirals are easy to make, fun, and delicious. This spiralizer comes with interchangeable spaghetti cut 1/8 in, fettuccine cut 1/4 in, and ribbon cut blades that store on board. The open blade design accommodates both long and round vegetables, and the food holder keeps hands safe and is easy to grip while turning down to the end of vegetables to minimize waste. The BPA-free handheld spiralizer is dishwasher safe, and the food holder acts as a cap for safe storage. Create 3 different sizes of vegetable noodles in uniform spirals. Food holder / cap protects hands when in use and during storage. Non-slip grip for comfortable spiralizing.